Today, I'll walk you through how to find out the forgotten username and password of your Snapchat account, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to retrieve your login details so you can get back to connecting with friends and sharing moments. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser. This is like opening the door to your digital world where all the information you need is just a few clicks away. Now in the search bar, type Google Password Manager and click on the first result that appears. This tool acts like a digital vault, securely storing your usernames and passwords for various accounts including Snapchat. Once you're on the Google Password Manager page, look for Snapchat in the list of saved passwords. If you have multiple accounts, it might feel like searching for a needle in a haystack, but don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Just take your time to find it. When you click on Snapchat, a new window will open. Here, you will see the email address that you used as your username along with your password. This is the moment you've been waiting for. Your credentials are right there, ready for you to use. Before you proceed, make sure that your browser is logged into the correct Google account. This is crucial because the right credentials are saved under the specific account you're using. Think of it like trying to unlock a door with the wrong key. It just won't work. And there you have it. You've successfully retrieved your forgotten Snapchat username and password. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.